Okay. Nice to meet you too, sir. What in the... What in the... Thank you. What's going on? Well, shit.
Hello. Have you seen a big boat? Big boat? Boat? Big? We're fucked. We're fucked.
Buongiorno boat.
I thought it was a bit. He went the wrong way, and then I thought he'd done it by mistake. He was properly... Oh, for fuck's sake. This is bad, isn't it? This is bad, this is bad, this is bad. This is bad. Even the fucking follow car's going as well. And you've got a big backpack as well. I'm fucked, aren't I? Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh my God.